Do you want to sponsor your sister or brother? Hi, my name is Audra Doyle. I'm the owner and attorney of Doyle Law here in Atlanta, Georgia. And today we're going to talk about sponsoring your siblings to immigrate to the United States. Now, first we need to talk about who can be the sponsor. Only a U.S. citizen can sponsor their brother or their sister to immigrate here to the U.S. So if you are a U.S. citizen, the first step is that we will file an I-130 petition, and we have to prove that you and your sibling are actually related, are actually siblings, and we're going to be looking at those birth certificates and possibly your parents' marriage certificate to prove that. Now here's where the interesting part comes in. It's going to take a really long time. Number one, it's going to take a long time at the Immigration Service. Currently, processing times are years long for these applications. And there's a reason for that. I want you to go check out the Visa Bulletin, and I'll put the link in this video. But I want you to take a look at the Visa Bulletin. Go check out the F4 category. That's the category that brothers and sisters are in. And as of right now, it is about 15 years for most brothers and sisters to immigrate to the U.S. Some countries are even longer. Those waiting times are extremely long. So yes, you can sponsor your brother and sister. You file the I-130 petition, but then you should not expect an answer from immigration in weeks or months. It's going to take years for immigration to adjudicate the petition because they know that the Visa Bulletin is also years long. They don't have a reason to move those petitions through quickly. So the next step, after you get your case approved with immigration, the I-130 petition, you need to start watching the Visa Bulletin. And when your family member's date becomes current, their priority date on the Visa Bulletin, you can move forward with the rest of their immigrant case. Next, they will have to go through the National Visa Center. They will have to upload forms and documents. And then finally, they're going to have an interview at a U.S. embassy abroad. So those are the 3 steps of the case. And I think the big takeaway is that you can sponsor your brothers and sisters, but you need to be prepared to wait a long time. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. And as always, if you have any questions, please let us know.